Surely you have cried watching a movie, or have felt sorry for that friend who fell and you couldn't help him. Well, in this video, we're going to learn about what is empathy and how can we be kinder. Welcome to the fun world for kids! Hello friends! I don't know about you, but I am one of those who cries with movies. Or even if I see someone cry, well, it also makes me want to cry. And just like me, there are thousands of people who are a little more sensitive than others. But do you know why this happens? Well then, I'm going to tell you about empathy, or better, the ability we develop that allows us to understand and share the feelings of other people. Surely you have heard the phrase, put yourself in another's shoes. And the truth is that this exercise is so powerful that by doing it, we can feel and look through the eyes of another person to better understand how they feel and thus be more respectful, kind and understanding. I will explain to you with some examples. Imagine that you are at school and one of your friends lost his pet and he feels very sad. And when he tells you about his great loss, you feel just as sad as he does, like the pet is yours. Well, that is empathy. When we understand and feel the emotions and feelings of other people and show kindness, no matter if the situation is good or bad, because empathy also occurs when we congratulate and celebrate the achievements of others. When we are empathetic with other people, we can connect in a better way. I will give you 3 tips to practice it with all people. Ask yourself, what is that person feeling? How would you feel if you were that person or the same thing happened to you? Now act. Ask that person, how does it feel? Listen carefully. Whenever you can, help that person. Have you understood what empathy means? Like the video if you understand. And if it is not very clear to you, don't worry, we're going to practice it. This is Anna, and she accidentally broke her favorite toy. Ask yourself, how do you think Anna feels? Happy? Confused? Sad? How would you feel if your favorite toy broke? Bored? Excited? Sad? Ask the person, how can I help you? Looking at you? Lend you my toy to play together? Leave? Sorry. You have done super well. Congratulations! Like if you got the answers right. Likewise, it is not only me who feels joy, sorrow, sadness, or the desire to laugh. We all have feelings and we are very different. But even more importantly, we all deserve respect. Thank you for watching our video. Did you like what you learned? Subscribe and find many more videos so you can learn while having fun. You can also watch this video in Spanish on our channel Mundo Divertido de Niños. The link is in the description. Lots of love. Bye bye.